I am Eric with Mother.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one intelligent infinity. In today's quick educational video, I'm going to be taking a look at the XLF and show you that it is at a point of short-term decision making based on the RSI, as will be discussed. This is as we come close to the end of the session with about 4 minutes to go before the end of the session for August 4th, 2021. And here's your general market. Again, take a look at the XLF here, and we're going to be taking a look at the small time frames. So, as I mentioned, I want to show you where right now there's a reason for a decision to be made, and it is based on a theme that I've been continuing on lately, which is RSI 50 support or rejection. And why don't I start by showing areas where we've seen bounces in this XLF, the financial space ETF, bounces back above RSI 50. These bounces have come with uniform action. So this is something we understand, we know to use whenever we see it being displayed in the market. So there's also the exact opposite, which is rejection. Like here we can see double top rejection for the highs somewhere there, and we get a shallow pullback. So let's discuss why in the short term there are a couple of reasons, actually two reasons that the RSI is suggesting that a decision needs to be made around here. We have RSI topside line, as you can see, connecting recent highs on the daily, and this is a 1-year daily chart. So the recent highs on the daily, and as of this moment, it is also showing that the market is coming there with a shallow pullback for the day, showing that the market is aware of the topside line. And there's also another line actually intersecting where the RSI is trading. So this is a backtest line. You can see it connects to the prior lows on the daily. This low, this double bottom low. There's a little bit of a low right there. And we can see that since the break of that line in June, when we came off the highs, this market has been using the red line for short-term resistance. And yet again, over the last couple of days, it is tagged it twice. Hence why I'm saying this is a decision time for the general market. If the market is to go higher in the short term, the XLF would need to clear these two lines so it can have an opportunity of advancing higher. Otherwise, at this rate, resistance around here suggests that the next meaningful price direction is lower, again, which would confirm RSI 50-ish in that general area of resistance. That's the daily. We take a look at the hourly, and we can see that the hourly has a similar look in a sense, because the RSI is coming back essentially. There's the bell to test this line here. In fact, let me do it just a tad different, which is connecting the lows here and these lows right there and extend it out. You can see that the market is aware and has been showing ever since this break here of the June highs. As far as the XLF is concerned, this has been an area of short-term resistance. And even here, same thing. If we take a look at the uniformity concept, links are going to be in the description for all of these concepts for more information. This blue line also happens to coincide with a momentum break in the XLF. So we can take that break and use it should the market come back eventually to test that. So bringing this, and again, we can see that the market is, as seen here, aware of all of these lines right here. And also, if we take the last or the most recent highs of the RSI, you can argue, if you choose to, that the most recent highs also end up giving resistance, where we are seeing resistance as of this moment as far as the XLF is concerned. So to correct this, movement above these lines is needed so prices can advance higher. Otherwise, this is looking more and more like there's a probability increasing probability, I should say, for pullback from current levels. We shall see what the decision the market eventually makes based on the lines drawn here on the 4-hourly and on the daily. And the market having closed for the 4th of August 2021, here is a snapshot of where the XLF is trading as of this moment. So as you consider this video down the road, you can see and understand what happened based on what has been discussed here. And so it is. E-A-C-S. I am Eric with Muathe.com. It is a great joy to leave you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite Creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one Creator. Namaste.